Hey everyone, I don't know why I'm doing this today, but welcome back to my channel, and today we are playing all the ringtones of Apple for some reason. I don't know why, but let's get into it. So this is opening the one that most people have. So that's opening, and here's Apex. I like that one, it's pretty nice. Let's move on to Beacon. I like how that one faded. So let's go into Bulletin. Nice. Sounds like a doorbell. Yep, that does sound like by the seaside. It gives me those kind of vibes. Let's go to Chimes. Yep, sounds like chimes. Like right outside my house. Okay, let's go into Circuit. Oh, this one's pretty nice. Alright, so I like this one a lot. It's called Constellation. Let's play it. Ooh, okay. Pretty peaceful. Let's do Cosmic. Ooh, that was pretty suspenseful. That was cool. So I like this one a lot too, Crystals. Yeah, that's nice. Let's try Hillside. It sounds like a woodpecker pecking against a tree. Let's try Illuminate. Yeah, it sounds like a cute little twinkle. Alright, so this one I like too a lot. It's called Night Owl. Alright, let's do Playtime. Yes, this gives me Playtime vibes. I said if the ringtone was bothering my voice, so I said now let's move on to Presto. And Playtime was a nice ringtone. Cool. Radar. So I like this one as my timer. I love this one too, it's really fun. It gives me vibes like I'm at some skating place. Ripples, let's see. Nice. Let's try Sencha. Ooh. Nice. That's sort of like the average ringtone. It sounded like sort of. Let's try Signal. Pretty simple, but nice. So guys, this is my average ringtone, Silk. Well, not my average, I meant my normal ringtone, the one that is my absolute favorite. Let's try it. So peaceful. Cool. Let's try Slow Rise. So that one I also like to use my timer sometimes. It's pretty fun. Let's try Stargaze. That was nice. Okay, let's move on to Summit. That's like a really fun one. I like that. Let's try Twinkle. That's nice. Okay, let's try Uplift. Nice guitar. Let's try Waves. Peaceful. So let's go into the classic ones. Whoa! So yes, this is the alarm sound. That sometimes, if I accidentally keep that as an alarm, it scares me because that just happens out of nowhere. All right, let's move on to the second. It sounds like, it gives me vibes like my fingers crawling up like a staircase. Now let's try Bark. Yeah, just like a dog. That's nice. Bell Tower. That's nice. Let's try Blues. Sounds like a cute little piano just being played. Let's try Boing. So that sounds like something bouncy on like a cartoon. Okay, let's try Crickets. Well, it does sort of sound like crickets, so the title makes sense. Let's try Digital. Ooh, now that is cool. Let's try Doorbell. Yep, the average doorbell. Yep, sounds like a duck. Alright, so the one after that is also somewhere. Yeah, let's play that one again since I like it. Alright, time for Motorcycle. Yes, sounds like a motorcycle powering up. Let's try Old Car Horn. Interesting. I think that's what they sounded like back then. So let's try the old phone. Yup, sounds like one. Let's try piano riff. Yeah, sounds like a piano. Let's try pinball. Okay, robot time. Yeah, that's what robots sound like. Time for sci-fi. Yep. Very sci-fi-ish. Time for sonar. Yeah, it sounds like a satellite giving a sound from space. But in space, there's no air, so there's like no way for the sound to pass through. So yeah, let's try strum. Yeah. Tuba. Yeah, sounds like some drums. Time passing, let's see. Yep. Sounds like that in my brain when I'm waiting for my friend to call me when we've discussed the time. Yeah, that also I've seen in cartoons trill when someone's being tickled. Let's try xylophone. Nice one. Time for the alert tones. Let's try Aurora first. I like this one too. It was really fun. Yeah. Okay, let's try Bamboo. Sort of sounds like that Snapchat when you get a notification a little bit. We'll try chord. That's usually like the reminder event type song thing, you know? Let's try circles. Nice. Let's go to complete. Yep, it's done. Us playing complete is complete. Bad pun. Let's see hello. Hello. That's how it sounds. Let's try input. That's nice. Let's try keys. Ding ding. Note. That's usually the notification I get. Let's try popcorn. Yeah, it sounded like sort of like the popcorn popping. Let's try pulse. Pulse and synth are cool. Let's try alert. Kinda sounded like the little birdhouse. I mean, not a birdhouse, the cuckoo clock. Yeah, sounded like a bird coming out. Yeah. Let's try anticipate. I thought that one was similar to time passing a little bit. Let's try bell. Oh yeah, that one sounded like doing a little like a fling on glass. That's what it sounded like. Let's try bloom. Ah, that sounded nice. Let's try calypso. Chime. Yeah. Let's try choo-choo. Yes, sounds like a train. Makes sense. Let's try descent. Yep. Ding. I get that notification a lot too. Let's see electronic. Interesting. Yeah, that was nice. Let's try glass. Cool. Horn. Ladder. Interesting. That was nice. Let's try newsflash. Nice. Let's try Neuer. Yep, that was pretty nice. Let's try now Sherwood Forest. Cool. Let's try spell. Yes, that sounded like the little spell things twinkling. Okay, let's go into suspense. Okay, I get that very much. In movies, it's like something bad's gonna boom! Something happens. Alright, swish. Swoosh. Cool. Yeah, like a telegraph. Tiptoes. That's nice. Let's see tree tone. That's the one I always use for my messages. So whenever I get a message, that's my ringtone. Oops, sorry. Let's see, sweet. Yep, sounds like a Twitter bird thing. Those are the typewriters. Last one, update. Alright guys, thanks so much for watching. And yeah, please, yeah, I'll let you know all about everything in the next video. See you guys. Bye.